Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a dragon boat, so grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, I'm going to start with the face of the dragon boat, of the dragon's head. I'm going to start with the eyes, so I'm just going to make a nice shape, like this, for the eye. And then we're going to draw the iris, and a light reflection, and with a pupil. And I'm going to color the pupil in. Then right above that, we're going to draw an eyebrow, a nice wavy eyebrow for the dragon. Maybe it looks sort of like fire. When we finish with that, we're going to draw the top of the head. So first, here I'm going to draw an open mouth with teeth inside. Maybe just 2 teeth that you can see. And then I'm going to draw the nose, nice curve, round. We're going to do a smaller one and a smaller one. And we're going to draw a big nose and we're going to color it in. Then on top, we're going to draw the head. I'm going to draw nice waves on top of the head. And I'm going to bring it around to the back. And then at the bottom, we're going to connect the lines. Now inside of that, I'm going to start right here at this fold, and I'm just going to make a nice line connecting all to the back. And then on top, I'm just going to make a few triangles for some texture. Now right on top of our dragon's head, we're going to draw antlers, like you would see on reindeer. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Just an antler sticking out on that side. Now it's time for the body. But before I do the body, right here behind it, I'm going to draw a paddle for rowing. So I'm going to start there and I'm going to draw a nice paddle like this. Take it back. And I'm just going to draw a little stick sticking out. And I'm just going to stop right there. Because now I want to draw a little wasabi man. And what I can do here, I'll draw a little hand, just a hand. You don't have to draw the body yet. And then from there, I'll draw the paddle on, and then I'll draw another little hand there. And now I can draw a little man, and I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a wasabi man. There we go, just like this. He's going to have a little headband on, and I'm just going to make a little mark there. And then we're going to draw 2 eyes. First, let me draw a mouth. I'll draw an open mouth there because he's having a lot of fun rowing. And I'm going to color that in. And then I'm going to draw the lower end of the eye, make it nice and round on top, light reflection as we always do, round on top, light reflection, and I'll color the eyes in. Now I'm going to extend the arm past the mouth upwards. And this arm I'm going to extend to the body as well. And now we can draw the boat. I'm going to start here by the dragon's head. I'm going to make it nice and round. Take it back to the arm. From there, extend it up, stop right there. And then I'm going to draw another line down for the boat. And I'm going to draw a series of scales, which would be the neck part of our dragon. At the back, I'm going to draw a flower or a flame. And I can connect it, and I'll draw a line back. Now that I've done that, now I can draw the water. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw just a series of little waves going up and connected it to the paddle and up to the boat, and there's the water, and then I can just finish up there, and maybe I can draw some other waves here behind as well. And there's our little dragon boat. Now you can look at my picture and match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out beautifully. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.